Hello, hello. So I am going to show you guys how to make a quick click and drag math worksheet for a kindergarten class. And let me pull up the finishing product so you can see. There is what I will show you how to do. Just hang in there with me, and give me lots of grace and mercy. But all you have to do is pull up your Google Drawings, and I labeled it as click and drag. I want to show you guys that you can also move it to a file or a folder. So I'm going to create a new folder for you guys. Just label it math with a smiley face. And that way, this document will go here. And everything, if you start using Google Drawings, everything can be just placed in that folder and you'll know where it is at all times. So I think that'll be easy to pull up. So first off, I'm going to show you we have to change the page setup. Also, please excuse the fact that I'm talking quite fast. I've done this like 10 times and I have to tell you guys everything in a short amount of time. So click on Tools, Explore, and I searched up a cartoon, not that. That's not what I searched up. Cartoon ocean background. I wanted to go with an ocean scene, but then that's where I found this picture and I went with that. So, my friend, move. No, stop. There we go. But before I really used it, I had to edit the format option. So click on that, size rotation, and there's probably a way easier way of doing this. Just ignore. Just ignore. This is what I had to do for the other one. Stop. Okay. So I'm going to fit it. Then you have to fit it to sit on this page. So bear with me as I do that. Oh, nice. We kind of got it this time. Yay. Perfect. Now we have your background. Okay. So second step, we're going to create this fence right here. That's what I'm pointing to, the brown fence. I go to shapes. Here you have a bunch of shapes you can choose from, but we're going to choose the rounded rectangle. And then we're going to do this and pull it up like that. Perfect. But you don't want that blue-gray color in the middle, so we're going to change it to transparent, which you can do to any shape, which is awesome. Now, this line, we need to make it a little thicker, so 12. Looks good. We don't want it to be black. Here is the border color. Change it to whatever one you want. We're going to go with brown, because fences are brown in my mind. Okay, there we go. We have a brown fence. But now, I'm going to show you guys, all you have to do is click this text box option, and you can type whatever you want, but because I don't have the time right now, we're going to do that. Nice. Now that you're massive. No, stop. Work with me. Move you over. Voila! So those are the directions. Pretty simple. But now I need to show you the trees. So all I did was I went to Tools again, Explore. I did cartoon tree.png because we need to be transparent images. There it is. Move over and drag. It's going to get big. Now we're going to shrink it a bunch of times, if you will work with me. Perfect. Move over and drag it over there, then X that out. Okay, we're going to make it a bit smaller probably, I would say. Okay, now I'm just going to duplicate it a few times. I just do that by clicking Control D. It's like my best friend in my art classes. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to click and drag, which is essentially what the kids are going to be doing. Oh gosh, that's... No! You didn't see that. Erase it from your memory. Okay, come on, friend. Perfect. So this is probably going to take insanely longer than it should. But I don't. Just bear with me here. Wait, why is it doing that? What? Okay, fine. Apparently I just deleted one. You probably know why. I don't. Okay, there we go. Now we got our little trees. which is where the kids will click them from. I think they're adorable. Anyways, now the last part is to show you how I made like this little subtext box here. This one, just to give them more of a visual. What I did was I went to text, went like this, made this size to 48, not by that, like so, and I did it in bold, and then under, oh boy, I just did something I wasn't supposed to do. Stop. Under. No! I cracked myself up. Okay. There we go. Plus. No, do the plus sign. Do the stupid plus sign. Thank you. And then space, under, equals, and then 5. Which wasn't supposed to look like that. Okay. There we go. So now the kids have an actual little visual, but what I did was I also painted this like a green, but I don't want it to be bold like that, so I click it and you can actually customize it and make it not as transparent, or like more transparent, which makes it like that. And there we go. So all they have to do is click and then drag the tree to the field wherever they want it to be. Isn't that so cute? But yeah, that's how to do the worksheet. And then you just save it. Oh yeah, and you copy the link, and the kids will you'll have to show them how to make a copy like this right here. And then they can use it, because you don't want the kids to actually mess up the master version of this. But there you go.